Typical, isn't it? The weather has now opened. Just going to show you what's been done. Fortunately, the weather is torrential. There we go. Started to get the rust off. A little bit there. Right, sorry for that. Right, real well. Taking off some of that part there. The metal there. Hey guys, Aaron from the future here, going through some of the things that I wanted to mention on the van and the point that it's at on this video. So when I bought the van, obviously I'd had a look at some of the under parts and not really had a proper look or any knowledge as to how things work with rust and decay and stuff. Obviously, as I've been going through this van build, I've learned a lot more now about what things I had to look out for. So obviously initially I didn't really have the knowledge to know that this is quite a lot of rust and stuff to deal with, but I'd seen worse in the previous one where it was more obvious. So obviously we've gone through the first part of the video and you've seen like where I've taken off some of the excess rust. I used a wire brush for that, and then what I've gone and done once I've scraped with the wire brush is I've looked at the areas where it's come off, but obviously I wasn't in a position to put filler over that or actually get to that point on the build. So what's ended up happening in the future is I've just left it because I know that I'm going to be dealing with it more in the summer when the weather's better, because this was right before winter was about to hit. Yeah, I just wanted to mention that, and you can see on the video where this rust is, and this was before I dealt with the wheel arches, but you'll find out about that in the future.